get to the view, okay? What's up, everyone? It's your girl Lauren, and today I'm here with another video.
Talking major mess, but have you heard about me? I'm the one and only, yeah, you know I'm custom made. I can never be a side dish, I always been the main. I'm steady going up, can't do a downgrade. If you don't understand, then there's nothing to explain. They said make it make sense, so I made it make dollars.
For today's video, as you can tell by that title, it is going to be a vlog. I'm currently in Miami, MIA. Look at the view, just get into the view, okay? I'm going to be bringing y'all along with what we're gonna be doing and what we're gonna be getting into today. Who is doing construction while I'm trying to make a video? Anyway, don't mind that. So I'm just out here enjoying the breeze. It feels so good out here. But we're about to go and get breakfast, and then afterwards we're gonna hit the city and just turn up and have a great time. Make sure you go ahead and smash that like button, comment down below some stuff that we should do, and then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And let's get straight into it. At the beach. Alright, so we went to the beach and did a couple other things, but now we are at a restaurant finally eating breakfast. It's like 11 o'clock. It's a Cuisine restaurant. So I got me some mango juice. Ooh. Got me some mango juice. And I ordered me an omelet, so that should be good. I'm thinking about getting me some kiwi juice, but I haven't made my mind up yet. I will get back to y'all when our food comes out. Alright, y'all, the food has arrived. Alright, y'all, so I'm done eating breakfast, and now I'm in a store and I'm about to try on some outfits, so we're gonna see if they're cute or not. This is cute. I just tried them on and they're cute, so I'm gonna get both. At the hotel, as you can tell, and we're about to do a boat tour. I think that should be pretty fun. I'm trying to figure out how to work this TV. We're gonna turn it off and start back over. All right, but we're about to get on the boat tour. I'll figure out what I'm gonna wear. I don't know if I should wear a dress or should I just wear a t-shirt and some shorts. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. Y'all will see. But the crazy thing is we got up at 7 o'clock this morning to go to breakfast. Didn't make it. Did not make it. This is the second outfit of the day. I feel like I need a necklace on, but I really don't want to be bothered with one. So yeah, we're about to go on the boat tour. I'll catch y'all out. I had to check out the view one more time before we left. Oh, they're parasailing. Oh, it look like they about to get dropped in the ocean. No, thank you. All right, let's go.
Love on you, too many. Coming through myself, cause you lose, then I pop back up like pick up. Here I go, feelings like I'm wearing them on my shoes. 1 minute I'm gone, but ain't no truth in it. They be like I'm dumb, spend stupid racks. I'm sitting here knowing I don't need you. Ring around the road, Z. Go your way, I go my way, but somehow we be still attached.
Cut like that. Why you tryna stunt like that? Like that. You know you're not cut like that. I step to the plate. I don't hold back. If you want my trust, then you gotta earn that. You can't sit at my table cause you ain't got nothing to bring. Hard, you can't top that. Don't speak about me if you ain't checked your facts. Yeah.
the sugar factory. Alright, ooh, not the plant being in my video. We're just waiting for our boat cruise to start. It's at 5. It's like 4:20, so we have some time. We're on the boat. We're on the day ride boat tour. I'm excited. It's 90 minutes, so we got some sand to do.
Shakira sold the mansion for $14 million. Island. Este lugar se llama la Isla Fisher. Fisher Island is very exclusive because the only
We are done with the boat cruise. It was so fun. I really enjoyed it. And now we're going back to the car, and then we're gonna go to the room.
I'm just trying to buy the live, 100 millions. I'm the golden child for real.
We were walking and exploring the hotel, and we found like a whole balcony area. Back in the hotel room. Now I'm about to pick out what I'm gonna wear to the pool. It's 7:30. The pool closes at 8:30, so we gotta hurry up, but we gonna make it. All right. We have made it to the pool. We're about to go down there. It closes at sunset, so we still have some sun left. So we just made it to the pool. It's 7:51. Tell me why they say they close at 8. Well, since the pool closed in like 5 minutes, we just went out there and took some pictures. And now we're back at the beach because it's like 2 minutes. Literally, there's the hotel. So we're back at the beach, and I'm gonna take some pictures out here as well. We thought we were about to go to the pool and swim and vibe, and this bathing suit has not even touched the water. We're about to go and eat some dinner at the Ritz-Carlton. Okay, but y'all, about the boat tour. I saw Rihanna's house. I saw P. Diddy's house. I saw Shaquille O'Neal's house. I saw Jennifer Lopez's house. Like, I saw Will Smith's house. Like, let me stop and get ready because our reservation is in like 20 minutes, and we still gotta drive over there, find directions, all that. So, I'll see y'all on the flip side. Peace. Outfit number 4. Oh, snap. We are on our way to the Ritz-Carlton to eat dinner in our all-white fish. Time to go. About to hit the city. We have made it to the Ritz-Carlton, but hold on, y'all can't see me. But our reservation was at 9:15, and it's 9:37. So we're gonna see if we can still make it in and get dinner.
If I put my trust in you, I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you.
Thank you. We are back in the car from dinner. It was so good. I'm back in the hotel. It's like 12:15. You know, we had a long day. I'm just about to go to sleep, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like it up, like it up, like it up. Make sure you comment down below if you are enjoying these Miami vlogs and if you're ready for the next one. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I drop another video. And I'll see you later. Peace.
I'm steady going up, can't do a downgrade. If you don't understand, then there's nothing to explain. It's